Hi traders, it's Crispin here from FX Algo Trader. It's the 11th of February 2014. I have been busy. MetaQuote's released Build 600 and onwards of MT4 last week, and there's some pretty weird stuff going on. Noticed some kind of anomalies because the compiler has been modified, which has meant that a lot of old pre-build 600 code doesn't work anymore. So I've been busy rebuilding some of the programs for use with MetaTrader 4 Build 600 and onwards. Anyway, I've got a bit of good news. For people who want to run in a Windows UAC compliant environment, I've worked out a way where you can install and run FX Algo Trader products in a UAC compliant environment. I'm not a fan of UAC at all. I don't like running on my machine without admin rights, but some people prefer to run with UAC operational. That's completely your call. Anyway, the biggest test when you're running MT4 and you want to work out what sort of usage rights you've got is if you click on File and then click on Open Data Folder. You can see here that right away we can see from this ridiculous long path here that UAC is indeed virtualizing the MetaTrader 4 data files. And by that I mean what UAC does is it creates a hidden file structure in this folder here. So it's under C, users account, app data, roaming, MetaQuote's terminal, and this long alphanumeric code. This alphanumeric code is effectively your root installation folder. If you want to install the FX Algo Trader product onto a user-based account, you need to do it with admin rights. So you need to log out as a user, log in as an administrator, and then point the installer at this folder here, so BB190 blah de blah ending in 117, and I've already done that. So what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to delete. I have already actually. That's no problem. So after you finish running the installer on this user-based account in that location we just talked about, when you actually load your application for the first time and click OK, these are just messages telling you what the temporary path is. This is just stuff in my Java application. And this little Java utility pops up here saying FX Algo Trader License Management. Please check this box if you're running Build 600 or higher. So we check the box. And now we enter our unique reference number in this field here. Mine is 0. Save those changes. It's giving me another temporary path message from the Java installer. I'll remove those before I distribute this. It's just for checking. And what it's done is it's written my reference data into the file path within the virtualized file structure, if that makes sense. So if we go back to our data file, go to MQL4, go to Files, we can see down here is a ref file. And if we edit that ref file, or open the ref file, this is user access control again. Hang on, let's forget about that. Okay, it's opened it up in Excel, and we can see here that this indeed, I don't know what all this is about. This is, yeah, again, Excel doing weird stuff, but we can see it's 0, in that file. So all we've got to do to basically get rid of this product requires time can renewal is just refresh the chart time frame. The system will requery the web server, and there you go, you've got your daily pivots operational in a UAC environment. So now when you change the time frames, it's purely client-side functionality, no more querying of the web server. Again, when you load the indicator again for the next time, so it will just query the web server once. You won't get asked for your reference number or anything like that, and off you go, you're in business. So that is how to run and correctly set up an FX Algo Trader product in a Windows UAC compliant environment on MetaTrader 4 Build 600 Plus. So there you go. Thanks for watching.